Hello, first grade. It's me, Mr. B. And today we are going to continue practicing how to distinguish between topic sentences and detail sentences and figuring out which detail sentences would go under which topic sentences. So yesterday we talked about how a paragraph is 3 or 4 sentences, and every paragraph starts with a main idea sentence, which we call a topic sentence. And then the other sentences are details about that main idea. And yesterday you completed an activity where you wrote the detail sentences that went with the topic sentences, and I feel like if we keep practicing, it'll get easier and easier. So I want to just model for you how to do this, the thinking that's involved, and then I'm going to give you another page with what I think are probably a little bit easier sentences than yesterday. So this is just an example of how to think, the type of thinking to do to come up with good, detailed sentences about your topic sentence. So I have 2 possible topic sentences. One says, ancient Native Americans built great civilizations, right? Because we've been reading about the ancient American civilizations this week in our nonfiction reading. So this is a topic sentence about that. The other topic sentence that I've come up with is about reading. It says, we use many strategies when we read books. Okay, we've been talking about that all year long. So let's read our detail sentences and figure out which detail sentences are about the ancient American civilizations and which detail sentences would go in the paragraph about reading strategies. Okay, so here's our first detail sentence. One strategy is, I guess it should say, to predict if a story is fiction or a nonfiction. Right? Every time we read, before we get going, we always ask ourselves, does this seem like it's fiction or nonfiction? All right. Is that sentence about the ancient Native Americans and their great civilizations, or is that sentence about the reading strategies we use when we read books? Well, yeah, it's about